Yo, what's up everyone? It's me, Jimmy Pool VR here, and yeah, I look drippy with these glasses. And we're gonna be playing Animal Crossing with this bitch right here, and him, my brother, the man.
Yeah!
Say something, say something, say something. You have something to say to me? Come back.
I know
Join the
one.
Discord. Join the Discord.
To become a member, only 4 people could join, cause we already have.
4 people.
All right, guys, let's go. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Shut up.
And Jacob, don't
Oh.
let us know because we did it like 24 fucking times. So
I
stop doing
said
it.
shut your mouth. I'm not a pro at this game. I still want a picture of it. Yeah.
You already have a picture of his yacht. Come on, guys.
Why do I need the camera? Why do I need the camera?
He's on there. Just go everything. Just go everything. Bro, you're weird. You're ugly. You're talking really around. You're gay. You are gay. Bro, stop. What do you mean? Jimmy, you're so lucky, bro. At least we know your
Yeah.
I still have Jimmy's yacht.
I don't. I got a picture of us. What's the mimic? See? Look, I told my friend it's that way, but he said no, it isn't.
Don't you dare die, bro. If you die, bro, I swear to God.
No, I literally said, no, this is the lights of the ghost, and he said no, it isn't.
Wait. Here in sewers? Yeah, bro.
Alright, come down here, bitch.
Bro,
To be camera person.
well, okay. We're both the camera person. And Jimmy's the light man. He's the light man. And the commander.
Alright,
Jacob.
Jacob, bro.
Bro, I'm just here for real.
Bro, she don't spawn, dumbass. Come here.
What, did the bro actually fall? Did bro actually fall?
Bro,
Or
you
never
right
mind?
there, bro.
Bro, I Come on, y'all, let's start first.
Oh, she's right there.
Take a picture! Got that picture! Got it! I got that picture! Yeah, I want to see your ugly face here.
She's here. Fine.
God, guys, go! Here's her ugly ass face.
I dropped my camera.
Fuck you! Okay, look. That's her ugly ass. You see that, bro?
Yeah, I see that bitch.
I hate this.
Anyone here? I'm gonna take more pictures of you, ugly. Oh, let's go to my picture.
Ugly. You look ugly. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry,
I got her
man.
again. I'm
sorry, man.
The way how Jacob screams, bro.
I'm a girl, bro. I'm not a girl. Fudge. No.
Oh, fudge. Oh, frick.
Fudge.
Are you there? There you are.
Come on, bitch ass. Come on, you want to get it?
Bro.
Fudge. What the fuck?
Oh, Jacob, if we don't come here, you like boys.
Oh.
Talk to a lamb.
Shut up.
Talk to her. Oh, I hate you.
I hate your ass. Oh, shit.
Oh, don't you dare.
She ran here. What
happened?
Jacob's camera was literally right here.
Fudge. I hate this.
Bro, chill.
I can't. I'm a girl. I'm gonna scream like a girl. I'm gonna scream like a girl. I hate this! I'm sorry!
Oh.
Come here.
No, bro! No!
Where are you, bitch? I got her. I got that bitch out. No, I always got her. I always got her, bitch. Where is she?
She's still
She was
there,
right there.
bro. She's still there. There she is.
Let me Let me take a picture of that bitch.
She is right there.
No, she isn't.
Got her. Wait, I think I gotta go closer to her.
Yeah, go.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Oh, fuck, she chased it.
Jesus! Why? Fine, she's right there!
Jacob, do the girl voice when you scream.
No!
Do it.
This is not a girl voice, darling, dummy.
You scream like a little girl, bitch.
Alright, I have to try to. She's right there! She's right there!
Where is she? Where is she?
She's
I'll
right
try.
there. I see her.
Fudge, she's right there. Dang it. Oh,
Where
she's
the
right
heck
there.
She's right there. She's right there.
Oh, there we are. There you are.
Nah, bro!
I think I got her.
Let me see. Let's see it. Let's see
She's
it.
right here. She's right here.
No,
she is right here.
I literally missed that.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Oh, there you are. There you are, bitch. Come here, bitch.
Bro, she's gonna kill. I'm not doing that. She's gonna kill us.
Got her. I think I got her.
Oh, she's
I got
right
her.
here. Oh, she's right there. Oh, she's right there.
Bro,
No.
stop capping, bro. You're a capper.
No, for real,
Capper.
she was right there. I'm scared.
Where's she? Oh, there you are.
Bro, I gotta let me climb my dog in the finish. Be quiet.
He died. Okay, we're close. We're close. Let's go.